No. No. I would definitely eat an ass that smelled like this. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jawan Lee, and today we're going to be talking about eating ass. Well, not really. We're going to talk about... Sorry, this is embarrassing. Rather, you are the giver or the receiver. And you're like, what are you talking about? Let me explain. So little old me was just scrolling on Instagram last week, and I came across an Instagram account called Studio Ready, and the ad was nice, was very intriguing. Here are some pictures of the Instagram so you can kind of see see why I was so intrigued. Their bio says, sit on his face with confidence, discover hot coffee scrub, design and make eating more enjoyable. So I was like, this is interesting. It was kind of funny to me. I wasn't taking it very seriously, but I looked at their reviews and I looked at the comments, and everyone is like raving about this product. I personally don't have a problem with my husband. I'm married. I've been married for 4 years now, and we have a very loving, romantical, beautiful relationship. And my husband, the wind blows and boom, bam, you know what I mean? So it's not like I had a problem in that department, but it's always fun to keep things exciting, keep things fresh. Not only do they have this scrub, they also have creams and oils and things like that that are supposed to rejuvenate the butt and make it more youthful looking and pink and pretty and things like that. So I'm like, this is hilarious, first of all, but I'm fascinated. They have this list of reviews from customers, and I'm just gonna read off a few of them randomly, okay? First one says, husband can't get enough. Well, what can I say? This is my husband's favorite scrub. It works, it feels great, and smells yummy. His words, our friends love it too. Okay. We can't wait to see what else we can order. My husband trained customer service and says you have the best he has seen. Okay, here's another one. The title is Amazing Product. The coffee scrub smells absolutely amazing, like chocolate and coffee. I enjoy the scent and soothing results so much. I use it on more than my posterior, sorry. This product is a little on the expensive side, but so are most products of quality. The scrub has solidified its place on my list of personal care needs. Okay. Another one is BF ate my ass like a cupcake. I was skeptical at first since I've tried numerous booty scrubs marketed fairly similar to this product, but let me tell you, this is something else. It literally smells incredible and made my cheeks smoother than they've ever been before. It's definitely going to be part of my pre-bottoming review. They also gave me a free gift, which was so sweet. Love this brand, can't wait to try the rest of their products. Seems like it would do what it's supposed to do. Anyway, let's get to opening the product and seeing what it's like. So I got a set. I got the Studio Ready Spring Collection. It was $168. Here's the box. It came in a FedEx bag as well, but I removed that. So I thought the box was gonna look cute or something, but it doesn't. It's just a brown box. What is this? I know they're a small business, but like, they're not that small. They've got 50,000 followers on Instagram, and I feel like they do sell a lot of product, but I've got 3 different product cards. This is specific to what I purchased, and it has a little note that says, welcome to Studio Ready, have fun, something else. Thank you for your order, have fun and take care. But these are 3 different, what am I trying to say? These are 3 different cards, and it kind of explains each product that is part of this set. I think that's really cool. I don't know. And it says prepared for me, Fairbanks, Alaska, and it's shipped by Mike. I'm gonna read the first one, the Studio Ready Hot Coffee Scrub. Make his face work overtime. How nasty. It says, make his face work overtime with double shot. We added more emollient botanicals, skin perfecting probiotics, powerhouse botanicals, massage onto soaked skin or someone else for at least 30 seconds. then rinse thoroughly with warm water. Here is the box that the set comes in, bagged in black wrap. Here is the popular hot coffee scrub, and I'm just gonna open it to see. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know what? Wow. This smells, I wanna eat it. Is that bad? Oh, it tastes delicious. That's what it looks like. I can sit here and smell this all night, and now I know what all the rave was about. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells like a fresh, right out of the oven, like chocolate lava cake. They're probably not lying about. The next product is the Vanilla Verde. Oh, okay. This one isn't as potent. Like, I could smell that chocolate one through the concealment. This one, it smells like musk, vanilla, sandalwood. It smells like a very, very, very sexy cologne. I don't know if you can see it, but it's white and creamy. And the third part of this set is the Pearl Perfecting Cream that you use overnight to brighten, plump, and rejuvenate your butthole. Doesn't really have a scent. It just looks like white icing. I think this company is very young and youthful and exciting and fun and modern and quirky and cool, and I don't know, just everything about it, from the packaging to the personalization of everything, is something that you don't really see with a lot of brands. And I hope that as they continue to grow, they keep with these little things that they've started to do. I don't know. I will be using it. I will be using it tonight. And I mean, I'm not going to show you guys of me using it, but if you want to see a follow-up, comment down below and I will let you guys know, either in the comments or with a new video of how it all went. So if you want to see that, if you want to be up to date, leave a thumbs up to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I think this is what my channel is gonna be like. I'm gonna just be unboxing a lot of different brands that may be unheard of or on the lower end of popularity or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, and if you guys enjoyed it, stick around, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, at this point I'm gonna just keep talking, so I'm gonna end the video here, and I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully.